Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be doing a quick review of this little device I just picked up. This is what we call Tivoo. This is a smart pixel art Bluetooth speaker, and it's made by the company Divoom. So let's check them out. Okay, like I said, this is a smart pixel art Bluetooth speaker. The name of it is Tivoo. It's by Divoom. You can pick this up on the Amazon store. It's a cool little device, and I'll show you why it is. Because this screen actually has different types of pixel art. Now, before we actually get into the pixel art and the screen, I'm going to run you through a little bit of a tour. Now, this has speakers up top, mic on the side. If you turn around back, this is where your power button is housed. There we go. SD card slot, charging port, mic, 3.5 millimeter headphone, and your power right there. Now, let's go back around to the front. As you can see right now, it has a digital clock on it, but it also has different types of clocks. Once you're on that clock setting, if you press this top button, it changes the actual clock to a different type of pixel art. Now, if you want to do a different type of pixel art other than the clock, you go to that, it changes the screen color. You make another selection, it gives you these little animations. Another selection, different animations. This, and there we go, and so on and so forth. Your volume button is right here. This is how you control your volume. And you're gonna toggle between your Bluetooth and your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack with this button right here. There we go, 3.5, and right here is your Bluetooth. So since we've done a little tour of it, in the box you're gonna actually get a charging cable with a micro USB charger on it. You're gonna get 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter or cord, and that's about it in the box. Now, this is a nice sturdy box. I was really impressed. The box is kind of heavy and hard. I'm gonna actually keep that box because I really like it. But I really like this device. It's a cool little device, a little gadget you can put on your desk, on your nightstand, in your little recreational areas. You can play some music. You can actually take phone calls through this. And if you're playing music that is hooked up to a Google Play account, Amazon account, or Apple account, the actual title and artist of the screen shows up. I don't have this iPad connected to anything right now. It's just playing through YouTube. I found that song, wanted to play it. There we go. Okay, well, it did a quick little sample of what it's gonna do. I told you that it would show the song and the title across the screen, title and the artist, I'm sorry, and it did that on its own. So even through YouTube, playing on this, just straight YouTube on the internet, it was able to show the title of the song. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm going to leave a link below so you can go pick up one of these. Remember, the name of the product is Tivoo, and it's by the company Divoom. I'll leave a link below. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.